Only Jamaica. Rain and sunlight. All at one time, yes. The flowers and the grass have to eat. You know? No. The rain is falling. So beautiful. Look at that. Sun and the rain. Hey! You waiting on me? See the doggy? Where'd he go? He follows me. Well, she followed me. Can tell it's a girl by them 25 breasts hanging so low. I feel her pain. And the rain is falling. Alright, I'm going back home. So I can finish sewing. I got some aprons to make. Got one finish, 4 more to go. And watch how fast they sell off. Oh, jeez, them. It's not an easy road. Now it's wet. Power that on top. Okay? You ever walk on wet, muddy rocks? See the road I travel? Not easy. Not easy at all. But what you see? Me still moving. Me still walking. We never give up. We never stop. Sunlight in the storm. Come on now. Sunlight in the storm. Whee! Beautiful tree. I'll mark my name on it too. Or maybe not. Look, don't even look like a trail, does it? But there is one. It's not an easy road.